done. Wake up in the morning, it's 100%. I bet they're brilliant in wireless things, isn't it good? You just put it on that pad, mate, innit? Ain't got to worry about plugging fuck all in the bottom. It saves that port from wearing out and all. Because they do wear out on some of the iPhones, then. If you're a person that charges it a lot, you plug it in and out, in and out. That's why they brought out them wireless earpod things now. So you don't have to keep plugging anything in the bottom of the phone. It's just all Bluetooth, isn't it? So that cash machine's working. Garage. Fucking hell, mate. Oh, fucking hell! Jesus, look at that! You cunt! You fucking wanker! I don't fucking believe that. Fuck me! Fucking, you alright, mate? I'm going back round to get that cunt. Fucking hell, I don't believe that. Look at that fucking screen.